I'm gonna ask Nick the same question that I asked one of the other seniors, as far as what are some personal goals that you have for yourself, and then what are some team goals that you want to try to help accomplish as far as for the team for the season. The first, what's your team goal?
Team goals this year, I just want to help the team out, get a good role scoring, get a lot of rebounds, and make everyone better on the court. I think we just got to be close this year. Everyone on the team sticking together, no beef, no nothing. Everyone being together, getting closer with one another, just playing with each other on the court really well. Hard practices, going at each other, but not fighting bad with each other, and just keeping that intensity throughout the season and hanging around each other.
But I know from being around you, you're a hardworking kid, and you got all the things that you need in place for you to be successful in whatever you do. So I'm not really worried about that. It's a pleasure, man. It's always good, and it's always easy to coach kids like you. So that's why I bring you on. You're one of the examples of what I have. So I'm looking forward to working with us this year and having a good season.
It'll be a good year.